Hi, so the last part of Module 1.5 is multiplying a negative to a negative, so let's practice some problems. So we have 7 times 14, so let's do that. 14 times 7, when you do 7 times 4 you get 28, so we're going to carry that 2 up there, and we're going to get 7 times 1 is 7, plus 2 makes 9, so that gives me 98. And from the previous module, we learned that a negative times a negative makes a positive, so our answer is positive 98. Now let's go to the fractions. Again, the rule says top times top, bottom times bottom. So we have 5 times 7, which is 35. We have 3 times 4, which is 12. Again, negative times negative makes a positive. The other thing is, I know this is improper, but it's in lowest terms. If it could be reduced, you always want to reduce it to lowest terms. Okay, and our last one is practicing decimals. So when I do that one, that is 3.2 multiplied to 0.6. So when I multiply, remember that both of these are negatives, and a negative times a negative is what? A positive, so our answer is going to be positive. So I do 6 times 2, which is 12. Carry the 1. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 1 is 19. Put my placeholder, and if you want to multiply by the 0, you can. 0 times 2 is 0. 0 times 3 is 0, because you've already used that 1, so you don't use it twice. And then we're going to add our numbers together, so that gives me a 2. That gives me a 9. That gives me a 1. And now we're going to count our decimal places. We have 1, 2 numbers behind the decimal, so we're going to go from right to left, 1, 2 places. So our answer is 1 decimal point 92. And again, a negative times a negative makes a positive, so our answer is going to be positive. Okay, thank you, and I will see you again soon.